In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the sun barely penetrated the dense canopy, lived a peculiar creature. This was no ordinary animal, for it was an anaconda, the largest snake in the world. The anaconda, named Araçá, was known for its immense size and powerful grip, but beyond these, it was famed for its wisdom. One day, Araçá felt an uneasy sensation in his coils. He could sense a disturbance, a disruption in the harmony of the forest. He decided to venture out, leaving the safety of his lair, to uncover the cause of this disturbance. As he slithered through the undergrowth, he encountered a small bird, its feathers ruffled and eyes filled with fear. The bird, a toucan named Tucano, shared with Araçá the story of a ferocious beast that had been terrorizing the forest. This beast was not just frightening the animals, but it was consuming them, destroying the balance of the forest. Araçá, with his wisdom, knew he had to help. He asked Tucano to lead him to the beast. They journeyed together, through the dense jungle, their paths winding and treacherous. Finally, they arrived at the source of the disturbance. There, in a clearing, stood the beast. It was a monstrous creature, unlike anything Araçá had ever seen. It was a combination of several animals, each feared in their own right. The beast was a testament to the fear it instilled in the hearts of the forest dwellers. Araçá, with his calm demeanor, approached the beast. He did not cower, nor did he attack. Instead, he spoke to the beast, his voice echoing through the clearing. "Why do you cause fear and destruction?" he asked. The beast, taken aback, replied, "I am feared because I am different, because I am a combination of many, not just one." Araçá thought for a moment, then spoke, "But being different does not mean being a threat. You are a part of this forest, and you must learn to live in harmony with it. You have the power to do great good, but you must choose to do so." The beast, moved by Araçá's words, agreed to change. It vowed to no longer cause fear and destruction, but to protect and nurture the forest and its creatures. From that day forward, the forest returned to its state of harmony. The animals no longer lived in fear, and the balance was restored. Araçá, the wise anaconda, had shown them that even the most feared could find redemption. And so, the story of Araçá and the beast serves as a reminder that it is not our differences that define us, but the choices we make. For within each of us lies the potential for both fear and goodness, and it is up to us to choose which path to take.